Hey guys, it's Owen. Welcome back to another video, and welcome to a new series. Now, yeah, I've got a computer in front of you. This may not look familiar to you, this board, at least. That's because it is brand new. Well, not brand new, but, you know, used, whatever. Right, so, this series is going to be called the Balls to the Walls Gaming PC. That means we're going to be throwing anything that has a hole. We're going to be filling that hole. Yeah, alright. So, basically, the plan is any PCI or PCIe slot is going to be filled. Any hard drive slot, which there is quite a few on here, is going to be filled. Any CD slot, drive hole, is going to be also filled. Any fan hole is going to be filled, and any RAM slot or anything else is going to be filled. That's the basic rundown for the system. We're just going to be trying to make it the best we can and with as many components as we can. So a basic rundown of what we've got here. We've got an Asus M2N-E motherboard, which I got for a whole £4, which I basically scammed my friend on because he thought it wasn't working. Ha, Tom. Yeah, okay. So he gave me this didn't give me, I bought this motherboard off him for £4, which came with the CPU, which actually isn't the CPU that's in there, because he decided to leave this CPU in the bag, and when he gave it to me, and yeah, you can probably see that. It's not looking too straight on there. So that's going to be another video that we're going to have to work on. But I've currently got the HP Slimline's AMD Athlon X2 in there, which works fine, although it comes up as AMD processor model unknown. We've got this really beefy, like, silent cooler, which is bloody amazing. And this RAM may look really baller to you, and that's because these are some Corsair Dominator XMS2s. These are the OG, like, really baller Dominators. So these are both 1 gig sticks. There's 2 of them. It's just bloody amazing. I love these. I love the, like, overkillness, I guess, of these. They're really cool and so cheap. Yeah, amazing. So obviously this graphics card here isn't staying. This was just because I was testing the board. It's got a few quirks to it, like sometimes it just won't post for ages. So I thought my graphics card was dead, so I swapped in this, let's see if we can pull it out, this Matrox 4MB card, which, I mean, it had a VGA slot on it, so it worked. Also, this board for some reason doesn't have any, like, video slots or anything, which is pretty annoying, so I have to use a graphics card whether I like it or not. A plan possibly is to get a GTX 260, because they're really cheap, they're, like, inexpensive, and they'll get the job done for this system, because it's not going to be, like, high spec or anything. It's just going to be, like, as good as we can get it on an AM2 platform with DDR2 RAM. So, yeah, I don't know how that's going to go, but let's try it out anyway. So, I'm actually starting this video at 9:16 in the evening, so, I mean, we're not going to start this day, most likely. So, yeah, we're not going to be starting that today, but I just wanted to run this over and show you the plans for this, and oh my god, it's going to be amazing when it's finished, I know. And yeah, I'll see you in the future, me, or whenever the next clip is. Okay, bye. So, we're back. It's the next day now, and we have a different camera, as you may be able to tell by the quality. Yeah, so I'm using a Handycam to do this, so sorry if my hand's really like shaky, but I'm really not used to using a camcorder, so yeah. But yeah, I'm going to be showing you a rundown of what we're going to be throwing into this thing, which is laid out over here on my desk. So we'll start off with like the small things, I guess. This is just a USB like expansion card thing, so that will give me more USB ports, because I'm pretty sure some on the motherboard are dead, so that will come in handy. We've got an R7 260X here, which I know I said yesterday I'm going to be throwing a GTX 260 in, but I haven't got that, and I'm going to save up for it probably, and that will probably be in a later episode where I'll show that. So we'll use that temporarily. I've also got this USB 3 card here, which we're going to be throwing in. These two fans, which are actually supposed to go in the front of the case, but I removed them when I had the case as my server, which is now I don't use a server because it's just easier to have the storage locally, which is what I learned. It's just really difficult to transfer it over the network, so we're going to use that. I've also got this 5-port, 4 external, 1 internal USB 2 card that's going to be going in. So we're going to have like loads of USB ports. We've got this Ethernet port, an Ethernet card even. I believe this is only 10100, but I mean, why not? It'll fill up one of the slots. And we've also got... No, that's not going to focus, is it? Anyway, it's a Sound Blaster Live, just because we can. And yeah, that's going to be going in there. Still have yet to hunt down a fan for this and the fan for the side panel there, but that will come soon. Also, we need more hard drives and 2 CD drives, or actually I'm probably going to be throwing this into there, which you would have seen in one of my previous videos. So yeah, I'm also going to be removing this Matrox card because we're not going to need it anymore because we have an actual dedicated GPU now. So I'll probably remove that in the next clip. But yeah, I'm going to get started with doing some building. Yeah. So yeah, I've got you guys up on the tripod now. First of all, I'm going to be removing this Matrox card. And I know I'm going to get a load of comments saying, oh, you shouldn't be doing this on your bed because static and stuff. Well, I don't care. It's got a side panel anyway. It'll be fine. So the first card I'm going to be throwing in is the USB 3, which is going to go up the top here. Oh yeah, remember this is quite difficult for some reason. I think that either the... Yeah, there we go. It's just really stiff to get in. Yeah, the bracket might be bent or something, but I've yet to look into that. Where's my screwdriver? Right. Now we've got the R7 260X. Oh yeah, I'll be hooking up all the power in a bit. Alright, that's solidly in there now. Screws. So, I don't know if you guys can see, you can't, no. So there's a black ATEX connector there, which I have nothing to go in there, because I don't really have anything 1X or 8X that will fit in there. So that's where my USB card will be going. Yeah, so that's where this will be going, because there's no, it doesn't need to go in a slot or anything on the motherboard, so that'll just fit in there and work great. Alright, I've just misplaced the screw I was using. There it is. Off to a good start already. Oh yeah, and something I may actually be doing that I didn't mention. I may be throwing a 5 1/4 to 3.5 inch adapter so I can have a floppy drive in there. That would be pretty cool, because there is actually a floppy drive connector on this board, even though it's like a workstation board from 2006. It still includes that, which is awesome. Alright. Right, so the next thing I'm going to be throwing in will be the this USB card, because oh my god, can you see the stabilization thing on the Handycam? That's weird. Anyway, so yeah, that will be going there, because then you've still got airflow going to the graphics card, and it's not being blocked by anything, which will be awesome. Just gotta screw it in now. Here's my screwdriver. There we go, and it's in. That's awesome. Now I need to unscrew these blanking plates. So yeah, there we go. And this is where the USB card will go. Okay. What? That's odd. I don't know if you guys will be able to see this, because oh yeah, you sort of can there, but this pin here, which is the one that's supposed to line up with the motherboard, there's something in there, or it's been filled, the hole's been filled. So this isn't actually going in. Okay, we'll leave that off to the side for now, I guess, and we'll deal with that later, but that's in for now, and now I'll just fill up one of the slots, which is fine. Next will be the Ethernet card, so I need to undo this first, that'll probably help. There's the screw. Yeah, I thought I'd lost that for a second. Right, that's in. And finally, the sound card, which is going to be slightly off camera for you guys, but I can't really get a better angle, so you'll have to live with it. Sorry. And it's complete. Oh god, that's so cool. That is certainly a healthy array of ports. So yeah, USB 3 card, that's the graphics card, the R7260X. 5-port USB 2 hub, that USB extension thing which doesn't work for some reason. Ethernet card and sound card. That's awesome. Okay. Oh yeah, you might be, no, it's not in frame. There you go, you can sort of see it. There's no I/O shield with this, which is a shame, but it didn't come with one when I bought it, so that's fine. And the next course of action is to add the fans, which are over there. So we have to first remove the front cover, just like that. And there we go, I'll move this up so you guys can see. And you take the fans here, you run them through these little cable management hole things, which are very handy. And then just screw them in. They're just thumb screws, luckily, which is very nice. Oh, whoops, done that wrong. they slot into this side here. It's like a little groove. There we go. That one seems to be over threaded or something because that keeps spinning, so we'll leave that. And now we've got this one here. So it goes like that. Wait, I just need to run this cable through. We'll sort it out on the other side in a second. And yeah, that is all good. There we go. Okay, yeah, that's fine. So we've got the fans in now. I'm actually gonna pop this out while I can. Oh, I hate these. Just, there we go. Okay, apparently there's some front panel headers in there. So okay, I'll take you guys off the... Oh, you can even see. Wow, sorry. So it may be quite... I'll get a torch here. So, if I move some of these wires out of the way, you may be able to see that floppy drive connector in there. It's just slightly too tall, and I can't get the drive in because it's too long. Right, I'm gonna have to find a way to get around that. Oh dear. Right, or they might just end up not using this, which, I mean, I'd love to, so if I can find a way around it, that would be great. I mean, in the end we could just fill it up with a load of CD drives. Actually, no, that is a good idea. I have one up there in the server case, which doesn't actually have a server in it right now because I took the 1156 motherboard out of here and threw it into that case. So I'm just going to move this blanket out of the way. Yeah, so this is actually a case I got free from my school. Obviously the power supply for it's up there. I know it's overkill for this, but why not? It was spare. So, I mean, let me get my camera again, but you can see it in there. So, yeah. Yeah, that's as far as I'm gonna go for now, and I'll catch up with you guys later when we do some more stuff. Yeah.